So I found myself selling the same items over and over and over again on eBay. So I looked and looked deeper, and there are sellers who have one listing and sell the used item over and over and over again. So I highly recommend to look at all these listings. You can make a stock listing with a generic photo and a generic description and sell the same items over and over and over again. And I've done that. I have listings that I've sold over 1,000 of on my account for the same exact item, and it's never been new. And this is one of those hacks where you have to overcome a little bit of what you don't know, because I didn't know that this was possible. Look under, go to video games and type in used, and you'll see 1,000 sold, 1,500 sold, 500 sold, 600 sold. They're all used items. And so I highly suggest and recommend that you look at what you've sold over and over and over again, even if it's one time a month. You will save so much time, and you'll gain in the rankings and be able to sell these quicker and quicker and quicker and turn these over faster if you create more generic stock listings for things that you find over and over again.